Building and vacuuming video with Cleanview Revolution Deluxe. Huh? Fail. Here we go. Ballots in this house. And the fucking Bronx should stand the damn wall. That sounds pretty healthy. I do hear a bit of the wine under his cold. machine. Thank you, Mac Gaming, aka Sarah, for this. I'm really liking it. This is my first use here in this house. I've been using it at my grandma's house, but I did give it a full wax job and it's starting to go a bit dirty. And actually, it's way more cleaner than that Bissell lift off. I really do like the color of this. It's like a creamish color. Matches my lift off. This machine originally came from the vacuum observatory. I don't know where he got it from, but I know it came from him to Sarah. Now it's in my possession. So, yeah. Good amount. Revolution things are full. Don't like how it gets trapped in there, but it does save the motor, I guess. So, I'm gonna empty this out anyway, so I'm just gonna pull these up. I like it. It does separate the fine dirt out, which is nice. And I actually do really applaud Bissell for that. It doesn't even look like it's that full because most of the fine dust is trapped in the little Revolution compartments. I was gonna get one of these from Marco, aka Vacuums and Carpet Cleaner guy, but he doesn't do YouTube videos anymore. And he had one of these, but it was the non-Revolution model 2 years ago. And I was thinking about ordering it, but at the time I didn't have a card, didn't know how shipping worked or anything, so I skipped and someone bought it, unfortunately. But it was the non-Revolution version of this. So it would just be the Cleanview, Bissell Cleanview Deluxe, I believe it was called. So, I never checked it out for the tank filter. So, what you do with one of these is you just turn it around and turn this knob up here. So, and then the Power Track Revolution Deluxe. Also been enjoying that. That one has been the daily driver out of the two because I like this one a lot. That one needs new filters. So, Xfinity's here, so if you hear noise, that's why. So this one needs a new upper tank filter as well. So I'll chew it up on this one as well. So I am noticing this one does have a bit of a whine whenever you turn it on. So that sucks, but original attachments too, I bet. No, that's definitely not original. Okay. I'll put some better attachments on it. But no brushes, so I know that. And I do have the dusting brush thing. So that's fine. So this one will be my prized possession. And then the Power Track will be the one I use. I'm not even gonna clean it, honestly, because I still kind of want to use this thing a little bit more before I retire it. So, yeah. Face got a little bit dirty from the bin. That's one thing I don't like about these in the Phantoms, because whenever you take off and off, the seal collects dirt and then